No matter how hard we try, there always seems to be a spot in the house where things just don't stay as organized as we'd like. Hello friends and welcome to my channel Organatic. I've been living in our new home for 3 years now, and I'm still finding ways to organize and improve it. Today I'm excited to share some fresh home organization ideas that I hope will inspire you to create a cozy and well-organized space. And now let's get started. For me, jewelry isn't just an accessory, it's a reflection of my mood and memories. That's why I wanted to find something convenient, stylish and practical for storing it. Recently I decided to try a new jewelry organizer that immediately caught my attention with its unique design. It has 4 levels that can be arranged in different ways, which is especially convenient since I like everything tailored to my needs. For example, I removed a few of the internal dividers to make space for larger bracelets. Each level is uniquely suited to different types of jewelry. In one I placed rings, in another chains and pendants. The organizer's soft interior lining gives me peace of mind, knowing my pieces won't get scratched or damaged. I especially love the top section with its transparent lid. I use it for the jewelry I wear most often. Everything is visible and easy to grab by simply lifting the lid. This organizer is versatile too. I even used it as a shelf insert. The compact levels fit perfectly in a small pull-out drawer. And when fully assembled, it looks like an elegant jewelry box that takes up very little space on the table. I loved it so much that I decided to gift one to my daughter for her birthday. I am sure she'll appreciate its practicality and beauty. This vanity table has appeared in my videos many times. Honestly, after 10 years I've grown a bit tired of it and have been thinking about replacing it for a while. Plus, the drawers in this model don't pull out completely, making it difficult to access items in the back. On top of that, my daughter has been asking for it, so I decided to take the opportunity to clear out my makeup and give the table to her. Luckily, these days you don't even need to leave the house to order new furniture. A couple of days after placing my order, I received the box containing my new vanity table. It arrived with all the necessary parts and an easy-to-follow instruction manual. I'll admit I'd never assembled furniture on my own before, but I decided to give it a try. It felt like building an adult version of Lego. The step-by-step instructions and included tools made the process simple, even for a beginner like me. That said, I did use an electric screwdriver to speed things up. The part I enjoyed most was assembling the drawers, probably because I was already visualizing how I'd organize my makeup inside them. Once the table was fully assembled, it was time to tackle the stool. Honestly, I didn't have the energy for it by then, so I asked my husband to take over. And voila! Everything was set. The table comes with a round mirror that has built-in lighting, which you can toggle with a button. I haven't removed the protective film yet because I still need to decide how to mount it on the wall, whether with adhesive screws, traditional screws or another option. I'll show the final setup in an upcoming video, so be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now for the fun part, organizing the space. I already had a set of organizers in various sizes that I'd been using for nail polish, and they worked perfectly for categorizing my makeup. Before filling the new drawers, I sorted through my makeup, got rid of any unnecessary items, cleaned everything with wet wipes and micellar water, and then grouped items by category. Finally, I started filling the table. The left drawer holds backups, samples, and items I rarely use. The main section contains my everyday makeup organized by category for easy access. The third drawer houses my lipsticks and lip liners. I have quite a few, but I'm trying not to buy more until I finish my older ones. To keep the area tidy, I placed a small wooden container on the table as a mini trash can. And here's the result. This table has exceeded my expectations. The drawers pull out fully, so it's easy to reach items at the back. I also love how it refreshes the look of my dressing room. By the way, if you'd like a dressing room tour, please let me know in the comments. Every year it's the same routine. We decorate the Christmas tree with excitement, admire its beauty, and then comes the time to take it all down. Honestly, this has always been the hardest part for the holidays for me. It's not just about removing the ornaments, it's also about finding a proper place to store them so nothing gets broken or lost before the next holiday season. This year I decided to make things easier for myself and ordered organizers specifically designed for storing Christmas ornaments. The set includes 2 organizers and as usual they arrive flat packed. The first step was assembling the outer box. You carefully fold the pieces to form the box, then secure the bottom in place. Next I moved on to the inserts. This part was also straightforward. First I assembled the main structure, then added the dividers. The dividers connect to each other, creating individual compartments. Each box has 4 layers of compartments that stack neatly inside the main box like this. The result is a very compact, convenient organizer that keeps all my Christmas ornaments neatly arranged. Now I can take down the tree without stress. My ornaments are 7 cm in diameter and they fit perfectly into the compartments of this organizer. Each ornament has its own separate space, which prevents them from scratching or bumping into each other. The compartments are made of cardboard, so they are easy to adjust as needed. For example, I removed one of the dividers to create more space for storing bows. In another compartment I am storing a string of lights. I don't have a lot of ornaments, so everything fits perfectly into one box. By the way, this box is extremely lightweight, making it especially easy to store on the highest shelf in the closet. Plus, it's compatible with those popular IKEA shelves many of us have, and it fits neatly into one of their cubbies for convenient storage. As for the second organizer, I decided to use it in a completely different way. I already have an interesting idea, and in one of my upcoming videos I'll show you how it can be creatively repurposed for something other than ornaments. Reading is one of my favorite pastimes. Amid the hustle of everyday life, it's important to have a cozy spot where you can curl up with a good book, a cup of tea, and some peace and quiet. That's why I decided to create a comfortable reading nook at home. I started with the most important element, the chair. It arrived in a large box already assembled. I just had to screw on the legs. I chose this model for its simple classic design, durable upholstery and neutral color. It's quite compact, so it fits perfectly into this little niche. Next I added a small side table. Assembly was quick and easy, taking me about 10 minutes thanks to the clear instructions. I hardly noticed the time passing. I think this table is perfect for small spaces since it's both compact and functional. It includes a fabric compartment underneath, which is great for storing magazines, blankets or even a few books I plan to read soon. The best part is that it comes with a built-in outlets and USB ports, so charging your phone or plugging in a reading lamp is simple and convenient. I added a potted plant and that's it. Now I have a cozy spot to read, enjoy coffee or just daydream. Friends, if you like the items featured in this video, be sure to check the description for product links. A big thanks to Songmix for sponsoring this video and helping me transform my home in just one day. And the question of the day is this: what idea from today's video did you like the most? If you like this video, please show it to me by hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. See you next week. Bye bye!